Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can withdraw money from your PrizePicks into your debit card. So it's a pretty simple process. When you're on your home page like this, you're going to go on your top right corner. When you go on your top right corner, this is the drop down menu you'll see, and from here you'll see the request withdrawal option. Now, of course, at first you must have added your debit card details when you were depositing money from your debit card into PrizePicks. And it's going to use those debit card details and it is going to process your withdrawal. So what that basically means is when you press on request withdrawal, it will ask you for a one-time OTP code, which will arrive at your email or phone number. You will enter that one-time OTP code and you will just enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And after that, that amount will be withdrawn into your debit card. It's as simple as that. And if you're doing this on your mobile phone, this is the menu where you'll go. So it's the exact same process on your mobile phone. When you go on these lines, you'll see this drop down menu. You press on request withdrawal, and the process is exactly the same as your laptop. And of course, they have live support as well. If you ever have any query or any problems during withdrawal, they will help you out and they will be cooperative. So that's how you can transfer your money from PrizePicks to debit card. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.